My first customization tip is widgets. So you can just press edit and you get more options for widgets you can add, or you can remove any you currently have. If you click on App Store, you can even see some more options. Some are paid and some are free. To change the folder icons, first create a new folder, and then I'll just title this YouTube. So once you have created a new folder, you can go on Google and search up whatever icon you want your folder to be, and make sure to write PNG or transparent after that. So I'm just gonna find a heart that I like, and then I'm gonna drag it out to the desktop screen. Then I'm gonna click on the folder, file, and then press get info. And then I'm gonna double click on the image. So once I double click, it's going to get bigger. And then I can move it to the side. Then click Command A, Command C, and then click on the folder icon, make sure it's highlighted, and click Command V. And you should have your picture there. Then you can X out, and as you can see over there, there's a heart for the YouTube folder. For accent colors, click on System Preferences, then General. Then, as you can see right there, there are accent colors. So whenever you click on a button like all these, it changes to that color. The default one I think is blue, so you can change it to whatever matches your background or screen. To customize your Google home screen, click on the little pencil icon in the right hand corner, and then you can upload a picture from your device or choose one that they have in their library. So I can just choose Seascapes and then anyone, and then done, and it changes. My next tip is to automatically hide and show your dock. You can do this by clicking on System Preferences and then Dock. Once you click on Dock, click on Automatically Hide and Show Dock. So your dock will stay hidden until you click on the bottom, then it will show. Go to canva.com and then you are going to look up the size of your laptop screen in pixels. So I have a Macbook Air 13-inch. So I'm going to look for it in pixel size. Then once I find out what it is, I'm going to go back to Canva and click on Create Design and Custom Dimensions. Then you can just enter the numbers that you found and it will automatically create a blank one for you. Now you can basically make anything you want. I would probably make a collage, and you can go to their free photos and see anything you want. So once you're done, I'm not done with mine yet, so I'm just going to drag a picture from the photos and use that. But once you are done and you like it, what you're going to do is press the download button in the top right corner and download it. Once it's downloaded, you can click on System Preferences, then Desktop and Screensaver. Make sure you're on desktop and then click the plus button in the bottom left. Make sure you're in the downloads part and your download should be there. So you're going to click on it, click choose, and then there it is. If you don't know what hot corners are, you're about to learn. So first go to System Preferences, then click on Desktop and Screensaver, and then click on screensaver if you're not already there. Then you're going to click on hot corners in the bottom right hand corner. And basically you can choose what you want to do when you move your mouse to each corner of the screen. So like my right hand corner, top right hand is Launchpad. So you can see how that works. If we X out and I move my mouse to the right, it opens up the Launchpad. So what you're gonna do is go to Launchpad, and then you're gonna search up stickies. And once you find them, click on it. And you can click File, New Note, and you're gonna have a sticky note pop up. So then you can change the font if you want. I usually do American Typewriter, light or bold, depending on what it is. And once you choose what font you want, you can just type whatever you want. Like I can type my class schedule if I need to. Then I can also make any of the letters bold if I want to, like the times. You can also make the font size bigger by highlighting any part of the text that you want to make bigger. Then you click Command plus and it'll keep getting bigger. You can also change the color of the sticky note by clicking color and then whatever color you want it to be. You can also drag the corners to make the sticky note as big as you want it to be. You can also click on the little square symbol in the top left hand corner to delete the note, or you can save it if you want to. And then the triangle symbol just makes it like full screen. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.